Good morning, everyone. I'm your host, Chris. This is the Otterline Report. It's been a few days since we recorded the podcast, but we are back ready to go. Today's an exciting day because it is day 2 of MLB, but really this is the first day because yesterday was just one game. It got delayed a little bit, but it did go through, and the model did crack that one right. That yesterday was the very first game that the Otterline predicted an outcome on the MLB, and to get it right was awesome. But not only did we catch the money line yesterday, we also got the no run first inning NRFI. I think they call it like a knee free. I don't know how you pronounce it, but anyway, we caught that as well, which was awesome. So we went 2 for 2 yesterday on MLB, and when you're looking at other sports, I don't think we did so hot. Well, NHL, I know we went 0-2, NBA 6-6, MLB 1-0. I'm really hoping MLB does well where there's so much data, but it's still very early in the season, so it's highly speculative, highly risky kind of plays. But I'm all in on MLB now, given that there's so many games, so much data. Hockey and basketball are tough right now because some teams know they're done, some teams are fighting for a spot. Other teams are solid in, but still want a good seed. So it's just like a tricky spot. You never know who's going to show up, but still some good picks. So we're still going to bet NBA when the spots are there, NHL when the spots are there. Not forcing it though, but really going to have some fun with the MLB, especially no run first innings. So I've made a special board just for this, and it turns out finding pitchers isn't as difficult as I thought it might be. The data seems pretty available. I thought maybe it would be like trying to find out starting goalies in hockey. It's just so impossible. Um, Not the case. Data's there, so we're super happy with that. So, um, on the no run first inning board, we have tiers like we always do to dictate the strength of that pick, those buckets, so we can track them and tweak them. So for today, we have one elite pick, Detroit and San Diego. Now, what that means as an elite is very confident, but we don't know if it's totally accurate, these buckets, because like we've done one sample so far. So this is very risky stuff here, but I'm going with it. You can see where all the data comes from and the picks and the strengths on this table. But I'm a big fan of simplifying. So if you are a premium member, you go to Open MLB Picks and you can toggle between all the sports, and you're going to get the top 3 picks right here. So top 3 no run first innings. We have the Detroit game, the Minnesota game, and then Tampa game. No run first inning. I took all 3 of those. And then I'll probably look at some money lines, but I haven't looked at the odds yet. Actually, the odds aren't even in the Otterline yet consensus page, so I got to update that as well. So that is all looking very good. So let's head over now to NBA really quickly. Consensus tab, 3 games on the board, small slate, and sniper mode. I'm a fan of that. So New York Knicks tonight. Good odds, yeah. So Knicks, I'll probably take that game. Honestly, I'm surprised the odds there. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's a value edge. That's a value edge. That's an elite level pick right there, boys. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Knicks tonight in the NBA as well. I like that pick. And then we're going to go look at the NHL. Best pick there is looking like Tampa. However, odds not worth it. So we're not going to go ahead and play the Seattle Tampa game. Not really worth it. When you look at combo win rates, confidence levels, I would say, nothing. Nashville, Nashville. That's what I would like to look up. Otterline 53% confidence. All the models agree. Strong win rate. So that's probably one of the games I would be looking at. I mean, like Nashville, they're fighting hard for a playoff spot, man. So that could be an interesting match for sure. Now, one thing I'm trying to do in the NHL is just stick to these platinum picks, which haven't generated yet. But I have a secret page here that I can go and check this real quick. And this is the last thing, guys. Um, NHL, NBA, MLB, all live on the Otterline. $10 a month. You get all the picks. You see all the stats. You get everything. So I think it's definitely worthwhile. So platinum picks today. Let's just see. So nothing actually made the cut. All kind of watch list. Let's just see what the issue was for the Nashville. Step 3, which is the last 10. So the momentum is not on the side of our Nashville pick. So let's just go take a look at that. The platinum picks have a pretty strict criteria, so I'm only trying to stick with those. Um, So yeah, I don't know. I would say actually Nashville 7-3 last 10, and New Jersey's 4-6. So we actually do have that on our side. So that's something I have to go in and take a look at, because I think that's actually pretty good. So I probably will go ahead and pick up Nashville tonight. I'll have to take a look at these algorithms here to make sure everything's firing properly. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Heavy MLB. There's so many games. It goes on month. It's just like it's incredible for us. NHL, NBA. So NHL, NBA probably 1-2 picks per day. MLB, it's like as many as you want. Yeah, that's coming right, guys. All right, talk to you later.